Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude oil has moved in the last week and how the price of crude oil can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart from 2010, okay, this is the particular chart. If you look at from 2009, what you can see that this particular chart, after making a low of around 34.43, it made a high of around 115. If you look at this particular period, this is very short, okay, 08 to around in 2011. In just 2 years it made a double on, you can say three times movement it has made. From 38 to it has moved to around 115. Okay, after that what we have seen that it was in this particular range, and from there this it was moving in a particular range. This is very important. You have to notice that whenever the range breaks upside or downside, we have seen a good movement. Now look at the chart. Look at the chart from 2020. What we have seen, I have already explained you. Whenever it made a high, it comes down. Whenever it made a high, it comes down. Whenever it made a high, it comes down. Okay, this happened 5 times. Okay, 5 times. Before explaining ahead, I have to tell you, if you have any doubt regarding crude position or any other commodity position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. And please watch the full video because I am making video with effort, so please watch the full video. Okay, and any doubt, mail ID I have given in the description. Telegram channel link is also in the description, you can join. See, now look at the chart from 2020. If you look at the chart, that it has come in the minus form. Okay, it has come in the negative form. After recovering from this particular range, it has made a high of around $129. You can see the range, you can see the volatility, and plus how much the crude prices has gone up. Okay, now according to the pattern it has moved. See, after making this particular pattern, making a high, went down, making a high, went down. Okay, so this is the particular range. It came down also. Okay, but the thing is that it is not touching a particular position. Okay, see, look here, the high of that particular first chart is 43. First 43 is the high, and the second what we have seen, a high has gone to a level of 68. Okay, but it has not touched a level of this particular high. It has come down to a level of 57. Okay, and if you look at the chart for 44, it has come down to a level of 57. After that, if you look, okay, third time it went to 76 and came down to a level of 61. Still it has not made a high for 57. Okay, so this is what you have to understand, that whenever it is making a high, it is not coming low and touching this particular low. Okay, it is continuously in uptrend. So what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 105.77. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 109.79. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 112.56, and from there, okay, once the price comes above 112.25, then remember this, that if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 116.26, and this has gone a weak resistance, so probability will be high. We can see a level of 129 soon if the price move above a level of 112.5. keep this in mind. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can come down to a level of 100.53. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 95.90. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 94.97. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 94, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 92.82. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 91.27, and from there we can see a level of 90.04. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 88.50, and understand one thing, 88.50, if it cross downside, then we can see a level of 85.41, which is a strong support. So once this 85.41 goes down, and probability of touching 77 is high, because this is the next support, and once this particular support is crossed downside, then we can see it can fall further, but we can see a bounce back from this particular level. Okay, so understand one thing, 100.53 is a strong support, 85.53 is a strong support, 77 is a strong support. So these are the point where we can see a bounce back again. Okay, as of now we can see a trend is upside, so we can see there a probability of going upside is very high. So understand one thing, if you are investing is you can invest for a longer view, but if you are trading, you know that trading is risky. Okay, and most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, so it is a process that you have to understand. I do workshop where all the things are explained, what are the rules or how you can be a good trader. See, now if you look at the chart, if you look at position, suppose if somebody is trading with $10,000, so what he should be doing, what I teach in my workshop, that he or she should use 10 to 15% of their capital per trade. Okay, and suppose if they take 5 trades a day, the risk should be 0.5 to 1,000 to 1,500. Risk should be around $50 to $100. Okay, so per trade risk will be $100. That is around maximum. If they will lose $500 per day. Okay, that is the thing that you have to understand. Suppose if you lose $500, you will not think of recovering that amount, but we will focus more on the profits. That is very important. Okay, what people do is they lose $5,000 and then what they think that to recover the amount, because of which they lose their full capital. That is where people make mistakes. Okay, it is a process that you have to understand. Okay, you cannot learn everything in one day. Okay, it's a slow process. Okay, and that is what professional do. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.